Starting a box truck business can be a lucrative venture if you plan and execute it properly. Here are the steps to help you get started. Research and planning. Market research, understand the demand for box truck services in your area. Identify potential customers, competition, and niches that you can target. Business plan, create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will be crucial for obtaining financing and guiding your business's growth. Legal and regulatory requirements. Business structure, choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Consult with a legal advisor or accountant to determine the best option for your situation. Registration and permits. Register your business and obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally in your jurisdiction. Insurance. Purchase commercial insurance, including liability and cargo insurance, to protect your assets and cover potential liabilities. Financing. Determine your startup costs, including the purchase or lease of a box truck, insurance, licenses, and initial marketing expenses. Explore financing options, such as personal savings, business loans, or investment from family and friends. Consider leasing a box truck if you don't have the capital to purchase one outright. Procure a box truck. Purchase or lease a box truck that suits your business needs. Consider factors like size, age, condition, and fuel efficiency. Ensure the truck is well maintained, and if buying used, have it thoroughly inspected. Equipment and supplies. Invest in the necessary equipment, such as loading ramps, dollies, straps, and packing materials, to facilitate your moving and delivery services. Stock up on safety equipment, including first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and reflective vests. Branding and marketing. Develop a memorable business name and logo. Create a professional website showcasing your services, rates, and contact information. Establish an online presence through social media platforms. Network with local businesses and join industry associations to build relationships and gain referrals. Pricing and services. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like distance, weight, and time required for each job. Offer additional services such as packing, loading, and unloading to attract more customers. Hiring and training. If needed, hire drivers and support staff with appropriate licenses and training. Ensure that your drivers are familiar with safety regulations and practices. Operations and logistics. Develop efficient scheduling and dispatching systems to optimize routes and minimize downtime. Maintain your box truck fleet regularly to prevent breakdowns and ensure safety. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and gain repeat business. Collect feedback and reviews to improve your services. Financial management. Keep accurate records of income and expenses. Monitor your financial performance and adjust your business plan as needed. Starting a box truck business requires careful planning, hard work, and dedication. Building a strong customer base and providing exceptional service will be crucial for long-term success.